Good evening, I am Rini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Asus M3702 AiO with 27-inch display. Ryzen 5 CPU launched in India. WhatsApp to introduce username feature for web. X working on feature to disable links in replies. Intel unveils GenAI rack solution to support Olympic athletes. Motorola Edge 50 Neo complete specification and renders reveal. Fujifilm's India introduced the GFX 100S2 mirrorless digital camera. Apple AI released a 7B open source language model trained on 2.5T tokens on open datasets and more. Asus has launched its new all-in-one PC, the Asus M3702 in India. The Asus M3702 features a 27-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display with a 75Hz refresh rate. The minimalist design includes a slim profile and a nano edge display with up to 91% screen to body ratio, providing an edge-to-edge view experience. The display offers a vibrant visuals with a 100% sRGB color gamut and 178-degree wide view technology, powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor. The Asus M3702 WFA combines high performance with sleek aesthetics. For audio, it includes Asus Sonic Master Premium, Dolby Atmos, and the AI-powered two-way noise cancellation, ensuring immersive sound quality. The PC is equipped with a 1080p FHD webcam with a privacy shutter for secure video calls. Connectivity options include a HDMI in port, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports on HDMI out port, and an SD card reader. For security, it features to build in a Kingston lock slot. WhatsApp is working on a new feature that will let users create unique username for their accounts, initially available on a WhatsApp app. WhatsApp traditionally relied on phone numbers for user identification. It developing a feature that allows users to create unique username. This change aimed to enhance your privacy and streamline connection without the need to share phone numbers. The feature will enable users to select a username during setup, subject to availability. This username will serve as a unique identifier, similar to platforms like a Discord but without the use of discriminators or text. Existing content can still find and contact user via phone numbers, maintaining current connections by using username, user gain, and extra layer of privacy, as only those who know their username or phone number can initiate conversation. This approach enhances control over who can contact user and protects personal information. X, formerly Twitter, is developing a new feature to combat spam, allowing users to disable links in replies to their posts. The new feature, discovered by an independent app researcher Nima Oji, will enable users to tick a box to prevent people from responding with links to their post. This is aimed at reducing spam and self-promotion by a bot and a real user alike. Christopher Stanley, Senior Director for Security Engineering at X, has confirmed the feature's existence. While it helps in a combat spam, it could also prevent legitimate sources from being shared in replies, which may information. The feature is a double-edged sword. It also prevents scammers from spamming posts and may also impede users from debunking false information by sharing credible sources. The effectiveness of the feature will be observed when it is live. Intel has announced a groundbreaking partnership with the International Olympic Committee to introduce a GenAI retrieval augmented generation solution for the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. The collaboration between Intel and the IOC aims to leverage AI to enhance the experience and performance of athletes at the event. The GenAI solution will integrate it into the Athlete 365 platform, offering a real-time assistance approximately 11,000 athletes. Intel highlights the critical role of GenAI solution in addressing modern AI challenges, such as cost, scale, accuracy, privacy, and security. The rack solution is designed to securely handle a proprietary data, ensuring high quality and reliable AI outputs. The centerpiece of this innovation is the Athlete GPT chatbot powered by Intel Gaudi accelerators and Xeon processors. This chatbot will assist athletes in navigating the Olympic Village, providing real-time information, ensuring they adhere two guidelines, allowing them to focus on their performance. Motorola is set to launch its next mid-range smartphone, the Motorola Edge 15U, in India soon. The Motorola Edge 15U will feature a 6.4-inch OLED display with a 120Hz peak refresh rate. It will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, offering a smooth performance for various applications. The phone is expected to come with a 8GB, 256GB, and 12GB and 512GB memory configuration. It will run Android 14 with Hello UI skin on top, providing a user-friendly interface. The Edge 15U may feature a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 13-megapixel secondary sensor, and a 10-megapixel third sensor for a versatile photography option. For selfies and video calls, it is expected to include a 32-megapixel front camera. Fujifilm India has introduced the GFX 100S2, a new mirrorless digital camera with a large format sensor. The GFX 100S2 features a 102-megapixel high-speed sensor, the GFX 102-megapixel CMOS2, and the X Processor 5 image processing engine. These advancements provide superior image quality with a maximum of 8-stop 5-axis image stabilization for a clear shot in various conditions. The camera includes an AI-based topic identification system for excellent focusing and can shoot continuously at up to 7.0 frames per second. It also offers 4K and 30-pixel video recording with AI-powered subject detection for various subjects, including animals and vehicles. Weighing approximately 883 grams, the GFX 100S2 is the lightest in the GFX series. It features a high magnification electronic viewfinder and 20-inch film simulation settings for a diverse color expression. The pixel shift multi-shot capability allows for photos with about 400 million pixels. Apple AI has released a 7B open source language model trained on a 2.5 trillion tokens from open datasets to enhance natural language processing tasks. Language models are crucial for text generation, translation, and sentiment analysis. Apple AI's new release, part of the Datacom for Language Models initiative, aimed to improve the effectiveness of these models through better dataset curation. Creating high-quality datasets involves filtering out irrelevant or harmful content, removing duplicates, and selecting the most useful data sources. Existing methods often lack standardized benchmarks, leading to an inconsistent performance evaluation. The DCLM framework provides a comprehensive corpus, effective pre-training recipes, and a broad suite of downstream evaluation. This setup offers a standardized approach to dataset curation, enabling consistent and comparable experiments. This is Renu Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for your all tech updates.